Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, how are you? I'd really love it if you subscribe. And if you're returning, how you doing? Well, today, as you can see, I am going to be planting some seeds. And I got my seeds online at Johnny's Selected Seeds. No, this is not sponsored, but this is just a new way of planting for me, really. I always buy starter plants, or I start growing by regrowing with my kitchen scraps. So this is new for me. These are hybrid cherry tomatoes. You get a minimum of 15 seeds in the packet, and it takes 60 days to grow. So I'm going to try them out in this. This is the cardboard egg crate. So I'm going to try it out and see how this works. I've never grown from seed before, so you know, this is a first for me. So I'm opening up the pack. Oh wow, they're little tiny things. And it said, oh. There's one still in there. I'll have to get him out. These guys are little. You see? Oh. One fell. Come on, little fella. There he goes. Okay. So as you can see, look how little. So what I put, I just put compost and cow manure in the egg crate. So I'm going to try this out. This is the first time I'm trying this out, okay? So you're going to be trying it out with me. Oh, let's get that piece of bark out of there, because that's not going to do me any good doing this project. So just put a little hole in the middle of all the little egg crate beds that we got going on here. Sorry if my camera's a little shaky. You are on the same stand. My camera's on the same stand as that I'm working on right now. So 15 seeds and 15 little homes right here. So let's drop that in. Oh, I just dropped two in the same house. But you know what? That's okay, because I actually have an extra seed left over. So let's just drop one in over there. Okay. So then we'll cover these guys back up. What are you? And that's it. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Oh, you know what? Hang on just a minute. Okay, this is after, say, not even a week. We've got 3 little shoots. here, here, here. And I'm hoping we get a little bit more of the shoots coming up. This is right by my front door, underneath of it's like a kind of like an outdoor foyer. It's right by my herbs and stuff like that. So it doesn't get direct sunlight or anything like that, but it does get watered every day. And I have it in like a little Rubbermaid tote thing. So it stays constantly watered and stuff like that. But I'm hoping, wait. We have a little bit of green going on right there too. So I'm hoping that we do get just a few more shoots. But these were hybrid seeds, so I'm not quite sure how hybrid seeds work. But they obviously, we've got four growing. So it looks like they are doing pretty well. So four shoots out of 15. Okay. But we're not even a week into them growing. So hopefully they grow a little bit more. They're nowhere near ready for transplant yet. Probably another, I want to say 3 weeks. And then we'll transplant them into small little pots. And then we can put them into the garden. Because you really should not put new plants into like a raised bed or anything like that until they are at least 4 inches tall. And these guys aren't even, they're maybe an inch tall. No, not even. Can't even say that. Maybe a little centimeter. But anyway, that's all of this video. I will see you in the next one, and I love you. Bye.